To make your astral projection easier, there exists some little trick, some little hack that will really change the game. Whether you are a total beginner, a little bit advanced, or very good at astral projection, I guarantee that if you just apply those little tricks, you will be able to enhance the amount of time you are able to astral project in a week. Let's start right ahead. The first method that has been very life-changing for me in my practices is the one that I call, am I dreaming? This simple method simply consists of pinching your skin many times in the day, at least 12, 20, even 30. The more that you do it, the best it is. And every time ask yourself, am I dreaming? And the reason why this is so powerful is because whatever is your habit in the 3D life, in the physical life, those habits also follow you in the dream world. So whatever happened in the dream world, whether you are conscious or unconscious, usually you will always be reacting to the situation based on how you are in the physical life. So if you start to develop the habit of every hours or many times every hours to pinch yourself and ask yourself if you are dreaming, what's going to happen is in the night while you are dreaming without being conscious at all, this habit might pop up. You will pinch yourself, and in the astral realm what happens is, or the dream realm, whatever you want to call it, because every dream is in the astral realm. There are many layers of the astral realm, but let's keep it simple. So what's going to happen is you will pinch yourself and there will be no pain. There will be a certain feeling, but no pain at all. And you will then know that you are not dreaming. And from here on, you will have the opportunity to start an astral projection. You can stay in this dream, you can start to realm around, to go fly, to check what you can do in this environment in which you already are. Or you can decide to totally teleport yourself somewhere else. And to teleport yourself, the science is very simple. You must convince your brain that you are already where you want to be. For example, I like to teleport myself to a crystal shop that I love in my city. And how do I do it? I feel my legs going up in the stairs. Then I feel the cold sensation of the door handle. I open it, I push it, and I feel the oxygen, the air going on my face, on my body as I open the door. And this gives me many proof to my subconscious that I truly am here, and the teleportation work right away. The second trick that you can be using is to reprogram your subconscious mind with the belief that you are already astral projecting many times every week. Because whatever you deeply believe become your reality. Everything that has been created was first a thought, an intention, an emotion, and as it has been repeated enough, it then materialized itself. And similarly, you can cultivate the belief within your mind that astral projection is hard, and it's going to be hard. You maybe never will succeed because you have the wrong mindset, but instead you can reprogram your mind and make it believe that it is so easy, that you already astral project so many times a week. Here are some of the affirmations that you should be using. I am astral projecting several times a week so easily. I know myself to be consciously astral projecting 3 to 5 times a week on average. I see myself astral projecting so easily. I know that I master the skill of astral projection. I understand how to astral project, so it is so easy for me. Those are the types of affirmation that you can use to affirm that you know how to do it. Something else that will be so useful is to affirm that you master perfect stillness of body-mind. Because it is when your body is utterly still, your mind is utterly quiet, you just are as the awareness, as the consciousness, and the body and the mind fall asleep. This is when astral projection happens. So some affirmation for this is, I am so happy and grateful for the perfect stillness of my body-mind. I feel perfectly still in my body-mind when I meditate. I have perfect stillness of body-mind. I love how easy it is for my body-mind to be perfectly still. This too will be helping you tremendously to give a new programmation to your subconscious that will help you to be meditative more easily. Because the faster that you can get meditative, the easier it will be to astral project. The third tip is fasting. The more that your energy is light and vibrant, the easier it is to get to the astral realm, because the astral realm is of a fifth density, what we call as 5D. And 5D vibrate much faster than the 3D physical manifestation of life. So the more that you are dense within your mind, your body, and your energy, the harder it is to enter the astral realm, because it is a lighter realm. For this reason, when you eat meat, you drink coffee, you eat a bunch of fake food, fake sugar, stimulant for the nervous system, it makes astral projection harder. But if you fast, you don't eat for a couple of hours, even for a whole day, it's gonna be so much easier to really get deeply meditative quickly, to let go of all bodily sensation, to let go of your mind and just surrender and allow the astral projection to happen easily. So fasting will help you. Meditation is one of the most important things to astral project. The reason why most of the people fail to astral project is because they don't practice meditation. In meditation, to get meditative to this inner state, it is when you don't feel your body and your mind is quiet, which is the same inner state that bring you to astral projection. But the difference is when you meditate, you are sitting in siddhasanas with your leg crossed, your back is straight, and as you keep this posture, it changes your energy. But when you want to astral project, now you lay down in shavasana on your bed with no pillow, with your palms up, and you just wait. And the more that you can do this in the state of meditativeness, the faster you will astral project. So just be honest with yourself. Are you able to silence your mind on command? If you decide, I will no more think, are you still thinking? If yes, meditate. The more that you learn to master the state of no mind, the easier it will be for you to meditate. And in the caption below and the upcoming video that you are running to see in the screen, there will be a video on how to astral project, the method to use, how to meditate, and also a video that will explain to you how to use the power of no mind, which is the key to make astral projection easier. So let me know how you feel about those tricks. If you have any favorite one, if you have one that you want to share with us, I'm always glad to hear about you all. And remember that astral projection is not something that you're supposed to force. It is something that happens naturally every night, but you just have to allow it to happen while you are conscious and present. Body, mind fall asleep, but you don't fall asleep. You are fully here, present, aware. This is the key. So thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found any value, remember to like and subscribe, because every Friday a new video comes your way. I'm Simon, and together we grow spiritually beyond pretending. Hare Krishna.